Jackson Gets Punished. Season 1, Episode 26. Jackson burned the kitchen / consequences / grounded. Enjoy! Created by Banana Peel 5500. Man, I can't believe that I got arrested for making a fake lockdown. But the good news is, it's been 18 months, and I will be released from prison later. Jackson, you're free to go. But you still have 3 years of probation. Whatever you say, cop. Man, it's so cold out here. I'd better get back home before I'll freeze to death. And it's getting dark. Finally, I'm home. Oh, our Christmas decorations are put up already. Hopefully I'll get all my stuff back because Bradley destroyed them all. Jackson the chicken. You better not escape prison again. I did not. It's been 18 months since I'm locked up. The cop released me from prison. Whatever! And I'm going to make dinner right now. It better not be hot Cheetos this time. They're too spicy. It's not hot Cheetos this time. You're having some tacos for dinner. Yeah. Jackson thinks that I'm going to make tacos for him. But I'm not. I'm going to trick him. Jackson will be having some ghost peppers for dinner, after Bradley made ghost peppers for Jackson. I'm finally having some real food this time. Jackson, time for dinner. Took long enough. I'm going to eat tacos. Good. What is so funny? What are you laughing at? Nothing. I was watching something that makes me laugh. Okay, I do believe you. I'll go downstairs. That is worse than hot Cheetos. I'm having ghost peppers for dinner. Stop laughing at me. It's not funny. And I still can't believe you tricked me. Jackson. I don't care. Stupid! And sit down at the table right now. Make me. Wah! You pushed me to the table. Now eat your ghost peppers. Or else I will force you to eat them. Ugh, fine. Wah! They're too spicy. Anyways, I'm done. No, you're not done. You only ate one bite of your ghost pepper. I'm done. And I need a drink now. Fine. Stupid! I'll give you your drink. After Bradley gave Jackson his drink. Which is hot sauce. Here is your drink. This drink looks familiar. But thanks. You tricked me again. This is not water or anything. It's hot sauce. Jackson, eat more of your ghost peppers right now. If it's too spicy for you, drink your hot sauce to cool you down. You know what? I'm going to burn the kitchen. Since you tricked me twice. Jackson the chicken. Why did you do that for? It's because you tricked me twice. I thought I'm having tacos for dinner. That gives you no right to burn up our kitchen. That's it. You're grounded. And you're getting consequences with your grounding too. Now go upstairs to your room while I extinguish the fire out that you made. Wah! That fucking Jackson. First he burned up Hunter's classroom, now he burned our kitchen. I'm going to extinguish out the fire. Really fast. Well, that's better. Now I'm going to deal with Jackson. He gets consequences. Wah! I hate consequences. And that's my worst idea. Jackson, your first consequence is destroying your 2DS, since you got your new 2DS. Arrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrr and I'm going to destroy it. No. Please don't destroy my 2DS. Wah! And for your second consequence, which is drastic. What's that? After Bradley forced Jackson to eat his ghost peppers? Wah! You forced me to eat my ghost peppers? I will die for too much heat in my mouth. I don't care, stupid! Now stay in your room right now. And poop in your diapers. Guess I'm going to take my diapers off. I can't take you saying poop in my diapers. Oh no, you're not. I glued your diapers to stay on. Okay, one more time. Now stay in your room right now. And poop in your diapers. Wah! Anyways, I got some tacos from Taco Bell. Since I'm in the mood for tacos. Wah! Fuck it. I'm staying in my room. Good for you. Wah! I hate turd bread. My mouth is still hot. I'll get you for tricking me twice. You better watch out, turd bread. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. See you next time.